The game we've created so far is not very challenging. Therefore, we're going to add obstacles in the game to make it more difficult. The instruction we'll need to use is obstacle.create. Just like the instruction we used to create the puck, we have to give obstacle.create a pair of x and y coordinates and a shape. Once again, we can choose a square, a circle, a triangle, or even a hexagon. Let's look at an example. Using the instruction obstacle.create with the parameters 27, 10, and square, we'll create a square obstacle at the x-coordinate 27 and the y-coordinate 10. As with the instructions we've seen previously, the order of the parameters is critical. The x-coordinate must come first, followed by the y-coordinate, and finally the shape. Let's try creating 2 more obstacles in the game. In the code editor, begin by creating a square obstacle at the coordinates 26, 10. Then, add another square obstacle at the coordinates 26, 12. When you're done, hit Run Code and try out your new and improved game.